Most manufacturers punch the primer pocket into the cartridge case head. Therefore, all cases do not have equally deep primer pockets, and the bottom usually has a radius. This causes the primers to be seated unevenly and to different depths. It could cause some primers to protrude from the rear of the case, which is dangerous because it could cause a slam fire. Primers should be seated to 4 thou or 0.1 millimeters below the surface of the case head. For safety and uniform ignition, it is strongly advised that the primer pockets be cut to the same depth. This is done with a primer pocket uniformer. This procedure is done only once and always on new cases. Whilst cutting, often clean out shavings from the primer pocket. To clean the primer pockets after firing, use the appropriate tool for the job. Do not use the primer pocket uniformer for cleaning. The burnt residue of the fired primer is very hard and abrasive, and it will lead to excessive wear of the uniformer's cutting edges. The primer pocket needs to be cleaned so that the new primer can be seated uniformly and correctly. Use a device that will clean without damaging the sides or bottom of the primer pocket.